Alright, so what we have here is an enormous slide that's going to the ocean. And there are two particular unique things about this slide. The first thing is that the ladder, or the stairs, however you want to call it, to get up, is perfectly vertical. So it goes straight into the sky, and it also forms this 90-degree angle right here. The second thing that's unique about it is sort of the slide part, the part where you slide down, and it's perfectly straight. There are no bends, no curves, no nothing. Alright, so now we're going to go on to the measurements given to us. So as you can see in the bottom right, we have this angle right here, and it's the angle of elevation, and it's 46 degrees. And now our height right here from top to bottom, as you can see, it's 51 feet. And finally, the slide part right here, or what we call the hypotenuse of this triangle that just formed, 60 feet. All right. So now, as you can see at the bottom, there's this question mark for this side right here. And we're going to try to find that side using what we have. So we're going to use, first of all, we're going to use this 46-degree angle. And for the 51 and 60 feet, it doesn't matter which one we use. We could use both, but I'm just going to use 51 feet. So as you can see, 51 feet, or this side length, is opposite from this one. So we know this is our opposite right here. This is our opposite side. And then the side we're trying to solve for would be our adjacent, since our hypotenuse is the 60 feet. So from learning the trig functions, we know that opposite and adjacent is part of tangent. So here, I'm going to write it over here. So tangent 46 degrees equals 51 feet over x. And then we're also going to put the tangent of 46 degrees over 1. And so now what we're going to do is cross multiply. So we have x times tangent of 46 degrees, this over, equals 51 feet. And so now what we're going to do is divide this entire thing by the tangent of 46 degrees. So we can cross that out. And I already did this on the calculator, so this comes out to be 49.25 feet, approximately 49.25 feet. And now let's put that in. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, we solved for a missing side using an angle and another side length, and yeah, that's how you do it.